used car dealership with fully fitted workshop, Hendra, Queensland. Located 5 minutes from Brisbane Airport, vehicle auction houses and the CBD, this used car dealership is an excellent investment. Opened 9 months ago with a fully fitted 10-bay 6-hoist workshop attached, turnover is around $1.4 million. Offering 2 businesses for the price of one, it made a $55,000 profit in November just from vehicle sales. The excellent premises comprise 1,500 square metres on Nudgee Road in Hendra, in front of the Hamilton Racecourse. Just 1 kilometre from the M1 freeway, the location offers high exposure in one of Brisbane's wealthiest suburbs. The premises includes a large workshop, office and showroom, external display area for around 30 cars, plus on-site and street parking. Clients include private, fleet, own vehicles, plus warranty work from other motor dealers such as Eagers and Norris Motor Group. Fully automated with $300,000 of assets included, the 12-month turnover is expected to be over $2 million. Currently, the business has more work than it can deal with, so there's plenty of growth potential. This is a fabulous opportunity for someone wishing to make money and work on the business in an exciting and thriving industry.